Hey, model railway enthusiasts, are you ready to take your train setups to the next level? I'm here to introduce you to the Platform Display VR2, a game changer for model railway platforms, so buckle up because we're about to transform your model railway experience. The Platform Display V2 isn't just any display, it's your gateway to bringing your model stations to life. Imagine this, your display can show everything from train arrivals to live news, all in brilliant color. And the best part? It speaks your language, literally. With options for English, French, German, and Spanish, this is truly an international product. Now, let's dive into the nifty features. One of my favorites is the sleep mode, which prevents image burn on your display, keeping it crisp and clear for years to come. And when it comes to updates, no worries. Software updates are available, ensuring your display is always at the cutting edge. Setting this up is a breeze. There's no soldering required, and it's so simple you'll have it up and running in no time. Just connect it to a mobile device, set up the control box, and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with security in mind, featuring AES-128 Encryption for your Wi-Fi password. Safety first, right? But here's the cool part. The Platform Display V2 boasts 10 colorful screens. You can display everything from a full schedule of train arrivals to a single platform's timetable, station info, live news, and even a cafe menu. Want to show some ads? You can customize 3 screens with adverts of your choice. And for you world travelers, there's a screen that displays 5 time zones simultaneously. How cool is that? Included in your package, you'll find 1 sleek display screen, 2 display holders for both portrait and landscape modes, a control box, a USB cable, and a manual on a super handy USB credit card packed with other files. So whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the Platform Display V2 is designed to make your model railway more interactive, informative, and, let's face it, way more fun. Are you ready to upgrade your setup? The Platform Display V2 is waiting to bring your model railway to life, making every session an adventure in its own right. Thanks for tuning in, and happy modeling.